Cut then update. Yan, during loop test, nila Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richard, may maswerte pang nakapagpa-picture kay Catherine. Ang sabi, maganda na, mabait pa, totoong tao. Thank you so much, Catherine, you know. At kay Alden naman, nasabi, gwapo, mabait pa, thank you so much, Alden. Yan, may kasama pa yung pabati. Alden, yung kabait ng captain.
Please follow Tita Rocky on Facebook. Let's go. I'm inviting you to please follow Tita Rocky on Facebook. Let's go.
Ayan yung loop test nila. Nakarang araw. Yan, abangan ng Hello Love Again. Yung pagbibidaan nila Catherine Bernardo at Alden George. Ang Ethan and Joy. Ito pa post ng visual para kay Catherine. I can't look away. Movie Queens, syempre si Catherine Bernardo, yan ang una dyan. 3.95 billion mga movie ni Catherine. Siyempre madadagdagan pa yan pag pinalabas na Hello Love Again. Si Catherine. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Nature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.